Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint presentation in just 2 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till end. First of all, what you have to do is open up a blank slide in PowerPoint. Something like this with no contents on it at all. And the next thing you're gonna do is that you have to go to Insert tab and then go to Shapes, and you're gonna insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide. Remove its outline, go to Insert tab and Shapes and insert a rectangle this large and this thick. You're gonna duplicate it and place it next to each other, something like this in a pattern. You're gonna duplicate them again and decrease the size and put them side by side like this next to each other. So this is how it looks right now. You're gonna duplicate these two rectangles as well and then put them here. The next thing you're gonna do is select these and duplicate them as well. Let me just wait, this isn't as I wanted to do. So the next thing you're gonna do is duplicate one of these rectangles and then put them in on top of this central rectangle. You're gonna put one in the below the center rectangle. Next thing you're gonna do is first of all select the rectangle and then you're gonna select the other small rectangles. Go to subtract and click on it. Remove its outline, change its color to white, go to Insert tab and go to Pictures and this divide, and you're gonna insert an image of our high resolution which can increase the quality of your template. So you're gonna send it to the back. Let me just copy and paste all my content text and the other stuff, and this is how it looks. You're gonna select the image, go to animations and select ninth animation. You're gonna go to effect options and give it a right direction. You're gonna set the time to 4 seconds. And that was all for today. And if you liked the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing stuff like this.